Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to distort an image in the Pixlr app. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, here you can find the option of tools. Now go ahead and select it. Now to distort the image, tap on to liquify option right here. And then here we can adjust the strength and size of button like this. And then here you can find the option of shrink, enlarge, swirl left or swirl right. Now choose one of these and then you can simply tap on to photo just like this. Now we can see the image has been distorted. Just like this. And that's it. This is how you can distort an image in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.